nature is the best healer for your nervous system. It's the best regulator. You don't have to think, you don't have to plan. Just go outside and keep walking. The 15-20 minutes of walking will regulate you a lot better than any amount of thinking you can do and finding a strategy or whatever. The regulation is written into your nervous system. Your nervous system wants to regulate. Think about it as healing in the moment, right? It wants to come back to the state of regulation, of homeostasis. I call it a green state.